Hi, my name is Peggy O'Neill, and for the last 15 years I've been going into schools and corporations and helping people to open their mind and open their heart towards people who are different. As you may know, it's Disability Awareness Month. It's also National Bullying Prevention Month, which is October. So if you're a little behind in organizing something to support your students in this very vital training, because anti-bullying behavior is not innate, it must be learned, like reading. And if you haven't made an effort in that direction, I'm here to sort of save the day and let you know that I'm available to come and speak to the students at your school. As you can probably notice by now, I'm a little person. I stand 3.5 feet tall, well actually 3 feet 8 inches, whopping, and I will be providing a program where the students can learn several things about diversity inclusion, not just about behavior, but I have 3 main points. One is differences, we're all different and the same. Second one is it's not cool to be cruel. And the third one is all humans are precious, especially you. So in the first one, I'll describe them a little bit in very brief detail if you have a moment. So we're all different and the same. We're going to talk about all the ways that we're different on the outside, skin and hair and size, and all the ways we're different on the inside, preferences, personalities, etc. And then we'll also talk about that we're also all the same. And this is a really important part that I do in all my diversity programs, is that diversity is not just about that we're all the same. Really the thing that helps bridge the gap of the differences is recognizing that we're all the same, that we all have commonalities, and it is the function of the heart that allows us to create connection and to extend kindness towards people who are different than ourselves. The mind sees differences, the heart sees sameness. The second point, it's not cool to be cruel. I'll be sharing with the students some stories when I was young and kids were teasing me, mocking me, and all of that thing, and it's very dramatic. Kids really feel the impact of what happened in those moments, and it probably brings up for them experiences and their memories of when it's happened to them, and we talk about choices of behavior and how they can choose to either make somebody feel good or make somebody feel sad and mad. The third point, all humans are precious, especially you, is inspired by a personal experience I had when a diamond appeared inside my heart, and I recognized that underneath this surface person that other people may see as flawed or different, that there was a preciousness and a value that was beyond measure. And I give the students a tool to actually see themselves in this way, because not only do I have that, but everyone has that. And just by virtue of being a human being, you don't have to be a winner or have a high achievement or be smart or cool. Just because you're a human being, you are precious. And I think that the more that students can understand this and can embody this understanding, the kinder that they'll naturally be towards themselves and towards others. So that's a very brief outline. I'm happy to answer any of your questions. Have a look at the flyer. It says pretty much what I said right now. And if you have questions, give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. I'd love to get on your calendar for this year, even in October if you don't have anything scheduled. I look forward to talking to you, and I wish you a very, very fruitful school year and a celebratory month of October celebrating differences. So long for now.